Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with day number two of our 24 Days of Christmas Secret Santa Swap hosted by Scrappy Tate. And thank you, Sandy, for day number 2. I appreciate it. Oh, how cute. So day number 2, I love this cellophane bag. Oh, so she embellished this plastic box here. Look at all the layers. I love that trim. She has a little rosette in the back. Some crepe paper. She's puffed up the snowman. I like that they are, you know, like a pink Christmassy color. But in the box, oh my gosh, look at all the goodness she shared. A whole bunch of charms. Oh, thank you so much. Love it. All of this, the resin pieces. Look at the Hello Kitty. I will use it all. Ah, look at the Mickey key. I have some of those. So cute. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And then in this frosted, oh, self-sealing bag, she has some paper clips and a keychain. Oh, did you make these with your laminating machine? I love it. Thank you so much for sharing. I appreciate it. So that was day number 2. If you're new here, welcome. Follow along on my 24 days series. You'll be able to see all the goodness that Sandy has blessed me with. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!